Hello friends, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How's everyone doing today? Hope you're doing well and welcome to my channel. Once again, I'm cleaning up my craft room. I'm always cleaning up my craft room, it seems. But I just finished a project, so, time to clean up again. And while I was working on this project, I kind of brought some things in and did not put them away yet. So I need to put them away now, but I thought I would share them first on their way to wherever they're going to sit until I'm ready to use them. But I've got some books here and some fabric and things. So first, I've really been impressed with Walmart's fabric. They've gotten in some new fabrics, and if you haven't been in Walmart's fabric section, like one of my Walmarts has a whole fabric section where they actually have the fabric on the bolts still, and then the other one doesn't. They just have like this little stacks of, these are called stacks, or they have this single little square, I think they're 12 by 12 squares or something like that for 97 cents. And then they have the Waverly 1 yard fabric. So that's one Walmart, and the other one has the actual bolts of fabric. And I just discovered a new Walmart near my office where I work. So, and it's like not brand new, but a new, like, bigger Walmart than any of my other Walmarts, and it's big and beautiful. So, and they have a very organized, beautiful fabric department. So I can't wait to go back there. But I've been kind of picking up these as here and there. Like I picked up one this week and one last week, so that when I'm ready to use them, I have them in my fabric stash. But they're just so right up my alley. Just what if I was looking for fabric, I mean, it was just so cool, this fabric that they're getting in, and and the sizes are perfect for a journal, cover, or whatever you're going to use your fabric for in your journal making. So let me just show you this one. It has this, I don't want to take them apart because I'm storing them in my, closet where I keep my fabric in nice little stacks, keeping them in their stacks until I use them. So, and that way I know what I have to, when I go back to the store, I can say, oh, I have this one, that one, whatever, so I don't want to get the same one twice. I wouldn't need that much of it, you know what I mean? So this one has this pretty like flower, almost like a sunflower on top. Then this one has like a multicolored leaf or a branch. I hope you can see that. I think you can pretty well. And a gray with blues and yellows. Kind of a rosy pink one, and really pretty. And then this one on the bottom, I mean, they look so vintagey to me. That's why I like them. When I saw them, I just, I was just in love with them. So I got that one, and it's let's say it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces in each stack. So that's one. And the other one that I've picked up, and I showed one previously in another video, that is kind of like, reminds me of tie-dye. So I got that one too. And then I got this one. It's kind of a rust colored and burgundy. And then the next one is a blue, kind of has a gold piece on it there. And this one is blue also with like florals. But doesn't that look so like vintage and 70s? This one has some blue paisley, like a cream colored background with a multicolored paisley there, burgundy, kind of a rust, and a pretty blue. And then here's the one on the bottom, another kind of the same color scheme. Those could go together in a journal, and they are kind of similar. If you look at the colors, they do coordinate, that one. And let's see if this one coordinates. These don't really coordinate like this one, but that doesn't matter to me. I just love these colors. So got those two things. And then the rest, I think, are books. I found this bookmark somewhere. So that's going into my bookmark collection that I have in my ephemera kind of stash for my journals. This book I picked up we were just on our trip that I think I probably mentioned in previous videos. We went to, that was our beach trip. and we stopped on the way and on the way back at several Goodwills. And this one I didn't find anything at, and I was kind of on my way out the door, and this was sitting in with the wallets. You know, you gotta really look around when you're at Goodwill, because people pick things up and just put them wherever, you know, so gotta really keep your eyes open when you're there. But it was so cute. It looked like a little address book. It looked really interesting. It says it's by Joan Walsh, England, and it says recipes right here. It has this cute little like picnic scene. The back is plain. It says 1989, so it is vintage. And as far as I can tell, if I remember right, this has never been used, but so cute. I thought, wouldn't this make just a cute little journal? I'm not sure how I'll do it yet, but I would use this just as is and make it into, you know, it would be, you know, like you wouldn't be able to fit more than what's in there now, because you wouldn't be able to turn it if you put too much in it. But that's quite a bit, and this could be like a little planner or a recipe journal or book, or, you know, just a junk journal or whatever, you know, any kind of type of a journal that I wanted to make it into. And I could use these somewhere else, or I would imagine that I would make it into some kind of a junk journal with some recipe type ephemera at least in it, and use some of these pages in it, a few of them at least. But cute little pages that have recipe from, makes, you know, like how many servings probably, or something like that. Plenty of lines for writing there, and there's lines all down the back too, so there's lots of those pages. And they have little strawberry, this is a strawberry border here, so really cute. And then back here are some dividers, appetizers, soups, you know, all those type of dividers. So I just thought it was so cute. I've never seen anything like that, so small like that. It looks like it's pretty much almost in perfect condition, like new condition, so I could use it just like this. So really thought that was a neat little thing. And then let's see, I've got a couple of small books here. This I got at Goodwill, Cottontail at Clover Crescent, a little bunny book. And I just love the size of this, and figured that could be a cute little journal if I put a new spine on it. And of course it's got bunny pictures in here, so that's awesome. I love anything with a bunny on it. I was trying to see a year, 1995, so it's been around for a little while. It is considered vintage, but just cute little full page images in here too. So I just love it. I just loved it. I love anything with a bunny. I think I saw some mushrooms there. Isn't that cute? I just love that. I love this little book. It's so cute. So that little one, and this is the only other little one, Animal Homes. It has a name up here, which I could see if I could wash that off, but I might just have to cover that up, property up. Here's another little sticker I have to work on down there. But otherwise, it's pretty much in really good condition. A little bit, the corners are a little bit worn there. I could put some book corner or metal corners on those. But this is Animal Homes. It's, let me see, I'm trying to see the year here, 1962. So it's got some age on it. So very kind of vintage book, but really cute little, you know, animal pictures. I mean, bluebirds, frogs. Doesn't get any cuter than this. The bears. The little chipmunk down here. So cute. Can you see that? Little chipmunk right here. He's so cute. And a turtle and a butterfly. A fox family, and there's little mouse. I'll just show you this because it's so cute. Some seals, some bunnies, and a butterfly. And some squirrels. This will be a cute little nature journal. Fish and snail. Ants. Oh my goodness. Oh, so cute. And we got the kitty cats and the doggy here at the end with a little butterfly and a boy. I think that's a boy. Yep. So that's a cute one. And then the rest are, let's see, what do I have here? Oh, got a few of these. They were a very good, excellent deal. I'm not really buying these because I have a bunch. And I don't know. I mean, I guess I could put some in my shop, but in case somebody else needs them and they're not finding them. But I've been finding a lot of these, and I haven't been buying them unless they're like super cheap, and you know, I can't just leave them there when they're pretty much cost nothing, practically nothing, you know what I mean? So 3 of those nice bridge score pads, and they look kind of they look new, even though they've probably been around for a while. And then these 4, I got 3 golden books, and this is a Happy Day book. This is God Made Kittens. I love anything with little puppies and kittens on it and bunnies, so picked this one up, and it looks very good condition. And let's see if we can see a year here, 1980. So really cute little images in here of the kittens and this little girl. Really nice images and illustrations. And that cute little kitten. So cute. So this would be a really cute journal. And I usually try to leave the all the, you know, the story part of it in the journal that I make with the book like these. And I have one in my shop now where I did 3 signatures, and the middle signature is the book pages, so they're right there all together and they can be read. So I think that's pretty cool. I've seen a lot of Pokey Little Puppies, a regular one, but I don't remember seeing this one before, the Pokey Little Puppies First Christmas. And I thought this had really beautiful colors with this burgundy around here. I thought it was just so pretty, and it looks fairly new, so this might be, you know, a fairly new one. I just don't know why these end up in Goodwill sometimes, because like it looks new. It is not. It has been around for a little while. 1993 it looks like, but still, you know, I just don't know how that happens. How, you know, because I love the book so much. I don't know how people. I don't know how people give them up. Really, I really don't. I mean, I have some from when my kids were little in my own collection that I'm saving for my future grandchildren, so you know, I want them to be able to come over here and read books, or I can read to them, you know, and stuff like that. So the Color Kittens, I love this one too. I've seen this one before, and I really love this book. Let's see if we can figure out the year. It looks like it's in really good shape. 1958. Nice vintage one, and very bright colors in here. I love that. There's a goat, a cute little beaver. I just put my drink in the refrigerator so it didn't get hot while it was, you know, warm while I was doing this video, and now I feel like I'm going to need a drink. There you go. That's a cute one. Good, really excellent shape. This one does look like a new one. We'll check it out in a second, but it was so cute. I was like, wouldn't that make the perfect journal? The Grumpy Cat. It's so cute. Who doesn't love the Grumpy Cat? And it's got a little bird here, a little round bird and a ladybug. Excuse me. Hope I don't have to go get my drink. I'm almost done here with this one. I was going to try to do another stack, but this video is probably long enough for you. And I'll do the other stack in a separate video. But this is 2016, so, you know, only a few years old. So definitely not vintage, but this was so adorable with this Grumpy Cat here. I had to get it. I mean, look at that bird. So cute. And this butterfly, a ladybug. I have to read this story. I hadn't seen this story before, so it looks really cute. Yeah, sometimes I bring my books home, and if it's a story I hadn't read before, you know, because I've read so many of these to my kids when they were little. I used to read them a story every night when they went to bed. And so if it's one I haven't read, I'll just like put it beside my bed and read it before I go to sleep, you know, one night or something. I think that's fun. This one I found at a Goodwill on my trip. I'm trying to think, where did I find all these? The rest of those were in thrift stores. And the one I told you at Goodwill. But this one was in a Goodwill on our trip. And I mean, I thought it was just adorable. This Kellogg's Cornflakes recipe binder. Here's the spine. Here's the back. It looks, I mean, I don't see really any wear on it. Anywhere, corners or anything. So I don't know, where it came from, but someone never used it. Probably. And it's got this in here. So let's see, it doesn't show on the outside though, but here's the inside, and it's just, really pretty pages. And so I like the page. I love the pages. They're very pretty, but I really bought it for the cover to make into a journal. But these pages could be also, if you've seen my little cookbook journals that had the red gingham on them. I still have one of those in my shop, and these could be used for that because they're so pretty. I could use these for covers, and they're kind of thick. They're a thick paper, with this glossy. They're glossy, they're pretty, and they're thick. And so I don't know. It's a possibility. If I don't think they're thick enough, I hate to cover up this recipe on the back, but I could put some cardstock on the back or just some other paper and make it thicker, for a cover. So that's an idea on that one. I have another stack, and I will do that in a separate video, but I hope you enjoy these books. I certainly enjoy bringing them home and making them into journals. So I will see you all next time, and happy crafting.